Hey, what's up? This is Chris on the longest way. Today's July 4th, 2018. It's officially the beginning of the American Civil War, the second one. And I'm here in Caboose. I arrived yesterday. Then, surprisingly enough, I got drunk. And today I'm trying to get the caboose fixed up. There's a problem with the ball bearing on the spare wheel. So I came out here with my friend's dad to this bike shop, and we're looking at the ball bearing. Because it was screwed up. Hello. Okay, dude's busy. Yeah, and it's all really nice. It's really warm and humid, so yeah, I'm excited to see how that's gonna turn out tomorrow when we hit the road. But yeah, I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be with the caboose and on the way. It always feels a little bit strange when I don't know, spending my time in Armenia, in Tehran, doing other things, and they're necessary and they're nice, but you know, it feels better to be with in close proximity to the way, even if I'm just hanging out like today. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the market here. So there's like this bike shop, and there's more bike shops, but most of them cater to motorcycles. So these are my enemies here. Not so much the dudes, but maybe also them. But these here, loud and annoying, and everywhere. They're like flies or hornets or wasps or mosquitoes. They're just annoying. Oh, but these ones are cute. So this is what the spoke looks like here. I don't know what happened there, but that doesn't look good.
انگار که سه تا نه ببین سه طرف هست این برش هم هست
نمیخوره به اینا
خراب شده این هم درست میشه یه دوچرخه من دارم اونم ایراد داره بیارم کنسولم داره قدیمی
Alright, so here she is, in the caboose. She's been resting here for the last, I don't know, 10 days, 12 days. And now she's all good again. The spare wheel has been fixed, I hope. They told me it was Chinese parts, so I shouldn't, get my hopes up too much, but it's probably going to be alright for, I don't know, a couple hundred or 1,000 kilometers. The pink stools are still good. And yeah, we're getting ready to go. I think she missed me, but with her you never know. and we're gonna go tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna pull her and go out of this gate here and down that road there and into a new morning, a new day, and the longest way, and I'm looking forward to that. But I gotta say one thing. Now I gotta say two things. First, Trump is an idiot. And then, well, that was totally unrelated, but it's gotta be said. And the other thing is that it's really, really hot here. As you can probably see, I just came out of the house for like a minute, and it's very, very hot, very humid. So I don't know how we're gonna deal with that. You know, me being the German and the Caboose, you know, well, we'll see. But yeah, I guess there's gonna be a way somehow. If you like the video, check out the blog. It's thelongestway.com, or share the video. Share it with somebody who can't deal with the heat. How's that? Peace.